Most of the projection lights looks good only in the ads, but in the real life they ruin your videos or your products. But today I'm going to introduce you the one and only WellMaking 4-color S-4C Max projection flashlight, and this thing gonna blow your mind. So watch this video until the end and we will go in depth review, unboxing, and how to use it, should you buy it or not, the product quality and how to use it, is it really worth to buy, it's good for your TikTok and YouTube videos or not. And this thing gonna really change your model and your product photography to the next level. Let's more further dive into today's amazing product review from WellMaking. Let's unboxing. I'm not trusting the packaging. Brands can print anything. What matter is performance. In the box you would find the flashlight, the focus knob, the Kobo holder, 20 Kobos, 10-watt power plug, Type-C data cable, battery compartment, carrying bag. The bag is very sleek. I love the bag. It's really premium. And of course the user manual, but it's really feels the product is really premium. The material they use is, I guess, premium aluminum, and I am feeling it. The body looks very heavy and it almost weighs 700 grams, so it's a genuine material, guys. And the flashlight is also having, the button is designed with 1/1/4 screw interface, which can be used with tripod, light stands, brackets, etc. And it also have the Type-C input, can change batteries or directly power on flashlight, USB output port, 5-watt A1, can be used as a temporary power bank to charge the mobile phone. So it's also your power bank. You don't need to bring your power bank. If your phone battery is low, you can still use it as your power bank, and it has really great batteries, guys. So how to use this flashlight? You need to double click the button to turn it on, off the flashlight, and single click to switch for 4 colors: red, orange, blue, and white. Press and hold the power button to adjust the light intensity to the weakest or strongest level. The button lights up green when the batteries are full and red when the batteries are low. Combination usage instruction. Choose one Kobo pattern with what you like into the Gobo holder. Insert the Gobo holder with Gobo into the slot. Extend to diffuse the beam, retract the focus to the beam. Rotate this part of the fine focus, adjust it. Recommended to fine-tune the focus after stretching for focus adjustment. Should you buy this or not? If you are a product photographer or if you are a model photographer, if you wanna bring your photography creation to the next level, this could be one of the best addition to your photography gadgets. And guys, you will not regret it. There is no kickback for me. They sent me just for review, and it's my honest review. I use it and I have taken some amazing photos and videos on this thing. I will shoot another video as well. I will bring this to the real use so you guys can watch that video as well. But I highly recommend this WellMaking flashlight for all of you photographers and model photographers or product photographers. Special thanks to WellMaking. They sent me this projection lights. They sent me for free. There is no kickback, only my honest review, and I use this thing almost for 1 month, and even they have given me the review email as well, but I did everything by myself and there is no kickback, guys. So if you like this product, the link will be there in my description, and also you can go to my TikTok. You can also find some discount code with the official website as well. So thank you WellMaking, and looking forward for use this again. And guys, this thing is really one of my most favorite product photography projection flashlight. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to check the WellMaking official website. The link is in the description. And if you wanna I review other products, please make sure to comment down there and what kind of products you guys wanna I review in the future. And thank you so much for watching. Till next video, take care of you and your family. My name is Aryan. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Love you all and peace.